what he said and why he said it. He said, do not exaggerate in praising me like the Christians did to Jesus, the son of Mary. He was worried that the people will reach with them the level of ghulu, extremism, and give them divine qualities, and this is exactly what happened. So they love to say holy prophet. Holy prophet. Don't say holy prophet. The same way you don't say holy Quran, you sure and holy Quran is less dangerous than holy prophet. Because we don't have this name or this adjective being given to the Messenger of Allah ﷺ. We don't have it. He is of course chosen by Allah, but for you to call a Nabi al-Muqaddas, you need a text, you need a nas for that. It doesn't exist. You will see how many refutations you get for that one. I already know. What? You need to say what? You hate the Messenger of Allah. How could you not call him holy? Blah, blah, blah. Be quiet, man. طيب. Thirdly,